students, you are learning very easily the spelling of the words. Here are a maze play game. There is so many cards of maze play puzzle game. Here is a card. I show you here some letters. Find the correct places of the letters. So you would be go with the rule of the game. Here is you have to take pencil or sketch pen and you have to find out the correct place of the letters going with the tracing of pencil or your sketch pen, going with the sketch pen with the proper place of the letters. After conclusion of the letters, you will find out the word's name. Here is a very good example of the students. Student have find out here the name of words. क्या है? Rainbow. What is this? Rainbow. Do you know the meaning of rainbow? Do you know about the rainbow? No, you don't know. Show me your card. You have find out the correct places of the letters with the help of sketch pen. Nice. You are doing nice, really nice job. Superb. You completed this? Yes, sir. Could you read the name of the word? Please stand up and read it. What is the name of? You have find out. Xylophone. Xylophone. Nice. Show me your card. Xylophone. Nice. You will find out, Sania. Yes. Show me your card. What is the name of? Seagull. Nice. Aisha, show me your card. Yes. You have find out the correct places of the letters. So what you will find out the word, you can say the name of this picture. Dinosaur. What is picture of the animal? Dinosaur. Say loudly. Dinosaur. Hello, Masira. Show me your card. Yes. Could you read the word? Umbrella. Find the correct places for the letters of umbrella. Anna? Tracing with the sketch pen. And nice attempt. Sure. Show me, Nashra, your card. Could you read the word? Helicopter. Nice activity. Could you spell it? Helicopters spell?
HELICOPTER.
Nice. You will, Inshra, show me your card also, and you will also Read the word
Woodpecker.
woodpecker. Nice. So, could you spell the word?
Woodpecker.
Nice. In this way, we will motivate learners to practice letters like writing legibly, and when we want to take these kinds of activities, we would be put cards on the table and give them order to take one by one card and just color it by the tracing of sketch pen. In this way, we will easily